Hey, so we're going to be working on definitions today. If this does not look like the paper you have in your work packet, then you can refer to the other video. There are two versions of the definitions page. So we are going to be writing the definitions for our four vocabulary words today. The four words are home, share, happiness, and neighborhood. So those are the four words. And the best way that this will help you is if you take out your vocabulary page on the very first page of your packet that has all the words and the definitions. Or you could just follow along with me in the video and just pause it when you need to so you can catch up and copy what I'm writing. So the first word is home. And if we look on our definitions, it says home is a place where one lives. So a home can be can look different to different people. So someone can live in a home that is a house. They can live on the upstairs of the house or the downstairs of the house. They could live in an apartment, a small one with maybe 4 or 5 units, or they can live in a large apartment with 20 units. They can live on a boat. Some people have their homes on a boat. They could live in lots of different places, you know. People's homes are different for everyone. It's just somewhere that you're living. And it doesn't have to be forever. You might have a home in one place for a little while and then a home in another place later. The next word is share.
Share.
So share means to give some of what we have to others. All right. To give some of what we have to others. So if you see here, there's two people sharing a square. So similarly, if the word share means that for instance, I give something to you, maybe, or like I have a bag of chips and I see Miss Julia and she wants some chips as well, then I can share with her. I can go up to her and give her some of my chips. And that's giving some of what I have to someone else. The next word
Happiness.
is happiness. Happiness means to be, sorry, I have the definitions next to me, so I'm trying to get that. It means the state of happiness. So happiness is when we feel good, when we're smiling, we feel we're not really worried right now. We're not sad. We're not angry. We're just happy. And our last word is neighborhood. So what does neighborhood mean? Neighborhood means a group of houses or buildings that are together in an area. So I'll write that down. A group of houses or buildings that are together in an area. Let me move that so you can see that a little better. So a neighborhood is a group of houses or buildings that are together in an area. So for instance, at school, Viz Valley, we live in the school Visitation Valley Middle School is named after the neighborhood Visitation Valley. And so in that neighborhood, we see a lot of schools, we see homes, we see businesses. There's lots going on in that neighborhood. There's other neighborhoods close by. For instance, the Bayview, Hunters Point, Excelsior, Mission, Portola. Those are all neighborhoods as well. There's many, many neighborhoods in San Francisco. So to review, we have home, a place where one lives. Share, to give some of what we have to others. Happiness, the state of happiness. Oh, that's not what I meant to say, I'm sorry. The state of being happy. And neighborhood, a group of houses or buildings that are together in an area.